Now let's focus to example E. Things are getting more challenging right now. Let's read the question. This is just integrate of 1 over x minus 1. And you have square root of x squared minus 2x minus 24. So I hope you realize that this is very similar to equation number 3 because you have variable outside and then you have square root of another variable inside. So this looks exactly like the third formula. However, you can see that inside here, inside your square root, it doesn't look like something u squared minus a squared. So we need to adjust this. How to adjust? You need to do completing the square. So I hope you still remember this from your Math 1. Okay, so let's focus here. Take this function here and focus to complete this square. You should get this x minus 1 squared minus 25. So let's change this into something squared minus something squared. So this is just x minus 1 squared minus 5 squared. So let's rewrite this question here. 1 over x minus 1, just write it back, and square root. So let's exchange this in terms of completed squared, which is x minus 1 squared minus 5 squared. So I hope you can see clearly now. Let's compare these two equation here, which is, it is very similar. U here is the one with this variable here, which is x minus 1. So this is also x minus 1 squared. So this is very clear. Your u now is equal to x minus 1. And then let's see our constant here, minus a squared. So this is minus 5 squared. So this is very obvious. Your a is equal to 5. So let's rewrite this also. A is equal to 5. So now, since your u is not a one variable, so we need to adjust a little bit. We need to adjust everything, not in dx right now, but everything now is in terms of du. So we need to differentiate this. Du over dx is just 1. Okay, and then let's find dx. Just cross multiply. Therefore, dx is just equal to du. Therefore, let us now solve this equation. So let's rewrite this in terms of u. So this is just integrate of 1 over u square root u squared minus 5 squared. Let's rewrite as that. And then let's rewrite our dx in terms of du, which is dx is just equal to du. So just write it back. Now, if you compare this question with this formula that we have here, this is very similar and we are ready to integrate it straight away. Therefore, let's do this. This is just 1 over a, so 1 over 5. Inverse secant modulus u over a. So inverse secant modulus u over 5. Don't forget to write plus c. So we have finished integrating following the formula. And for our final step, let's just substitute our u here. So let's see, u is equal to x minus 1. So let's rewrite here. Our final answer will be 1 over 5 inverse secant modulus x minus 1 over 5 plus c. Therefore, that is our final answer.